Hello everybody, what's up and how's my new intro? And I am here officially welcoming you to the Divalog series. But let me first tell you what is Divalog. Actually, foreign YouTubers celebrate Vlogmas because they have Christmas over there, and we Indian YouTubers have Diwali as our biggest festival. So we Indian YouTubers celebrate Divalog. Conceptualizer of this Divalog is one and only Shreya Jain. I will link down her channel in the description box below. So basically in Divalog, I am going to post 10 videos each day back to back till the Diwali comes. So in today's video, I am going to share with you a DIY facial at home, and I think DIY facial at home is the best start to my Divalog series because obviously हम preparation पहले करते हैं. So prepare your face first, and then in upcoming videos, I am going to share styling videos, makeup videos, hairstyle and much more. So if you don't want to miss any of my videos, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video, you can catch on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @IamShruti and link will be there in the description box below. And in this special, I have included all of the steps which parlors do have, like exfoliation, cleansing, massage, everything is here, with using all of the home ingredients which are easily accessible. And here and there you have tried them on your face, on your hairs. So there is nothing like, oh my god, will they damage my face or anything type of a sort. Trust me guys, this facial actually works. I will try to include before and after clip in the end, and by yourself you can see the result. And now I will zip lock my mouth, and with that let's get dive straight into the video and start with our first process.
First, secure your hair back so that they will not interfere, and make sure your hands are clean. First step is cleansing, and for that we are using raw milk and cotton balls or pads, whatever you have. Dip the cotton ball in the raw milk and squeeze the ball, and then start applying on your face. Apply gently on your overall face. As we all know benefits of raw milk, it helps to remove dirt and dead cells from your skin. After you're done, wash your face with normal water. Our second step is towel steaming. For that you will need a hot water and any napkin. Dip a napkin in a hot water and squeeze the excess. Put it on your face as I shown. I know I am looking horrible. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove it. Towel steaming just helps to open up your pores and makes our next step, that is exfoliation, more easier. So for a scrub, you will need 2 tablespoons of honey, pinch of sugar and any coffee which has granules. Here I am using half of the packet. Make a thick consistency and start applying on your face. I am using back of a spoon to apply because that's more convenient. Apply on your overall face, don't forget neck also. Coffee and sugar helps to exfoliate, while honey is known for the antibacterial and moisturizing properties. After 4 to 5 minutes, start massaging. Concentrate on your problematic areas. I am concentrating on my nose because I have small, very small blackheads. And after that, massage your overall face. It will help you to remove dead skin. And how you can forget your lips. Wash your face and clean it. Our next and important step is a massage. For that I am using yogurt. You can also mix beetroot by grating in it. Take a little amount and start applying on your face, like massaging on your face. Yogurt have lactic acid that has bleaching properties. Yogurt also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on your face. Massaging technique is an anti-aging technique. Let's start from our forehead. Tap your hands on a forehead as I shown. Then with the help of your knuckles, push jawline backwards. Just remember one thing, any massage you will do, no matter what, you will do it in an upward direction. It will prevent aging and wrinkles. Then move towards your cheeks and do as I shown. Same for nose, use your knuckles. If you are feeling your skin is dry, take a more cream and then again start massaging. Repeat each step for 5 to 6 times, and when you are done massaging, just tap your fingers on your face. And when you are done massaging, just tap your fingers on your face just to penetrate the massaging cream in your face. After that, we are moving towards our second last step, that is face mask. Take a 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1.5 tablespoons of dahi, 1 quarter nimbu and pinch of a turmeric. Oh my god, that was so cold. I am doing this special at night time, and I will suggest you also to do this at night time so that you can get better results in the next morning. Brush fancy thing kuch kaam ki nahi thi, so I am again applying by my hand because I want to make that face mask thick. After 5 to 6 minutes, it will start looking like this. Just check that is it transferring on your hand or not. If it is not, wash your face and come back. Our pores are open after this process, and now it's time to lock them. For that, here I am using ACV toner. I have just mixed apple cider vinegar and water in the same quantity. Taking a bath in a spray, as you can see. Dab it in your face just to ensure pores are locked, and then use any lip balm to protect your lips and have a soft supple lips. This is quick before and after of the facial. Oh my god, I can see my glow.
So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's video. If you haven't tried any of these ingredients on your face before, I will suggest you to do a patch test. And tell me in the comment section below which videos you would like to see in my upcoming Diva vlog, so that I will try to include them. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay happy.